Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at the 2001 Matchbox School Spirit 5-pack. It's one of those that is kind of see-through, does not have a lot of cardboard in the back. So this is probably the heaviest 5-pack I have ever found. It's got some cars in it, or vehicles in it, with opening parts. One has metal on metal, so very cool. This is the first one, the Ford box truck. Does have suspension, very cool. So these all have a kind of a school theme. So this is the ABC. Let's take a look at the base, very shiny base. 1:80 scale, if I can read it correct. Here it says Ford box truck. Nicely chromed base, so you get a chrome bumper and a chrome front end. Yellow window piece. So all metal, the body is all metal all the way around, so very, very cool. This is the only version I have of this casting. Then second one is the Ford Crown Victoria. So this is the first version of the Ford Crown Victoria from 1997. They also made a later version, I think a 2006 one. So this is metal base, metal body, 1:70 scale, no suspension unfortunately. So this is the math team. It's got a separate piece for the light bar. Only side deco, which is often the case with 5-pack models, and also has the yellow windows. Next up we got a school bus. This is a casting I have been looking for a while. This is no scale on it because it's, you know, kind of a fantasy one. Just says school bus. There's 3 different Matchbox castings that look or that have this kind of school bus styling. I had the other 2, I did not have this one yet. So this one has the Hummer front end, so it looks really cool, and this one also has opening part. There you go, the door swings open. How cool is that? It's a plastic door, but that's okay, you know, it functions pretty well, and that is what makes it cool. This is in a history theme, so again only the side deco. Then we got the Nissan Xterra, so 1:59 scale, no suspension, also got the yellow windows. School bus did not have yellow windows, just clear windows. So we got a blue plastic base that also forms the grille of the car, and a metal roof piece. You can put some luggage on there. This is in the music theme, and we also get a opening back door in plastic. I'll have to use my little thingy here to get that open. Yeah, there we go. So got a lot of stuff in there. Don't know exactly what it is. All kinds of things. Very cool. And then the last one is this Chevy transport bus. Here it says the scale is 1:80. Also very shiny chrome base. All metal body, no suspension. So this is the science theme. Nicely chromed out in the front. This one has blue windows. This one does not have an opening door. Very big door here, and then another door in the back, non-opening. So all very, very heavy castings. So as usual, we're going to take a look at some other examples I have of these vehicles. So the Ford Crown Victoria, this is the first version I have. This is a 2001 mainline, so this one has the blue light bar on top, also metal on metal, of course. Then the second one I have is also a 2001 mainline. This one has a red light bar and is the V-shaped one. This one even has the tail lights, but it does not have anything on the hood or bonnet. And then we have the one I just showed, also from 2001. So all three of my examples are from 2001. And then the school bus only had one, like the Ford box truck, sorry. And then we got the next one, so the Nissan Xterra. This is now my oldest example I have from the 5-pack I just showed. And then the second one I have, so this is 2001. Second one I have is 2002. And this window box, the mainline. So let's open it up, take a look. So everything is the same except for the deco, patrol deco, clear windows here, and a red interior. So it also has the opening tailgate like that. Maybe we can see better here what the stuff is in the back. Yeah, some rope I see. And yeah, some things that seem to be like jerry cans or something, I don't know. No idea what it is. Then I got a 2006 version from the Coast Guard 5-pack. This one has the canoes on top, the grey base, black interior, and also has the opening part in the back. Does hit the canoes a little bit. And then this version, this one got retooled. This is the 2018 release. So it does no longer have the opening tailgate. It's got that nice little post in the back that us collectors love so much. It's got now a plastic roof piece instead of a metal one that is molded into the casting. And it did get some headlights, this one, and some deco in the back too, nicely detailed. So for those of you who think that the Nissan Xterra in the new opening parts series is a novelty, think again, because it existed a long time ago already. So I got a few of these. I'm glad with that. We can't get the opening parts Matchbox here in the stores in Europe, and if I find them at swap meets and stuff like that, they cost usually between 5 and 10 euro. I'm not willing to pay that. I happily buy these older ones for you know, euro 25 or euro and a half, and these are as nice as the new opening parts one. And you know, if they would cost the same as in the United States, let's say 2 euro, the opening parts ones, then I would buy them, but not for those crazy prices. And then the last one, the bus. So the oldest version I have is this 1999 version. It's from the Wilderness Road Trip 5-pack. Then from 2000, a mainline is this one, and then this is the most recent one I have now from the School Spirit 5-pack 2001. this green one. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.